Greetings, this is Veronica Chiaravalli from Emerging Technology Sweden. Probably you have seen our online workshop, High Stakes Leadership, with a focus on the war in Ukraine. We have given 2 very successful workshops, and we are spreading the word to companies and individuals because we have done a lot of research and we know about how this war is going to affect companies and countries. We have discovered some very important information that we want to share with you. Emerging Technology Sweden focuses on people and accelerating technologies. We focus on exponential technologies, emerging technologies, immersive technologies. So we study this. And we also study the impact of these technologies on people. We work with design as well, with strategic advice, research, and we also did research about COVID-19. We have a project at Copenhagen Business School connected with COVID-wise. Well, this is an experience for us, right? And we took what we learned from the social entrepreneurship specialization and high stakes leadership specialization. We took those 2, and we created our online workshops and programs. We also studied exponential technologies at IIEC Business School. We have several certifications, expert certifications, and also executive program certifications. We studied also at the Harv Eker Academy. We studied business, marketing, and other subjects. We want to reach out to the people that need information, need guidance, advice, that want to navigate these times of uncertainty and disruption. So please reach out to us if you have any questions. We wish you a nice day. Bye.